Meet Sea Thrift, a little flower with big pollinator power, also known as Armeria maritima. This coastal gem isn't just beautiful, it's buzzing with life. From late spring to early summer, these globe-shaped flowers offer nectar and pollen to a variety of visitors. Solitary bees, bumblebees, butterflies and hoverflies all flock to Sea Thrift's vibrant flowers. While honeybees may stop by, it is the native bees and butterflies who fully love this hardy plant. Hoverflies, nature's tiny pest control heroes, enjoy a quick stop while keeping your garden balanced. Pollinators love Sea Thrift. Simple, it blooms for weeks even in tough spots, like salty soils, dry gardens, and windy cliffsides. It is a buffet for pollinators where few other flowers thrive, whether you are gardening by the sea or adding texture to a rock garden. Sea Thrift brings both charm and life to your space. A small flower with a big impact. Want to support pollinators? Sea Thrift is a low-maintenance, high-reward choice.